Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the radio from a BMW 3 Series. First, let's prepare by gathering the right tools. You will need plastic trim removal tools and a Phillips or Torx T20 screwdriver. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting. Also, place a soft cloth on your dashboard to prevent any accidental scratches. Next, we will remove the dashboard trim. Using your plastic trim tool, gently pry around the edges of the trim panel surrounding the radio. Take your time to release all the clips without breaking them. On some BMW 3 Series models, you might need to carefully remove the climate control unit first to gain full access to the trim. With the trim removed, you can now access the radio unit itself. Look for 2 or 4 screws, typically Phillips head or Torx T20, securing the radio. Carefully remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull the radio unit forward from the dashboard by about 2 to 3 inches, creating space for the next step. Finally, it's time to disconnect the cables. The main wiring harness often has a lever or release tab. Press it to unlock and unplug. Do the same for the antenna cable and any other small connectors. Once all cables are detached, you can fully remove the radio. Remember to store it safely if you intend to reinstall it or sell it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.